3.
Hello, these are the flag assembly instructions to put the flags together for the Merced Field of Honor. The first step is getting all your pieces together. You do want a flagpole, which is a PVC pipe, 7 feet long. You want a 3 by 5 foot flag. You want 2 zip ties. You want 2 black O-rings, a gold ball, a clipper to clip off the excess zip ties, and you want 2 rubber bands for the end when we roll up the flags. The first step is you're going to lay out your flag on the table. You want to lay it out, so unfold it, and you want to lay it out so that the tag is facing up. You'll notice when you get to the top, up at the top here, there's a tag. We want that tag facing up. Now, the biggest thing about this is you don't want the flag touching the ground. So you notice how I folded it up so that it all stays on the table. You might have to fold it more if you have a smaller table, but you want to make sure the flag does not touch the ground. Now take your PVC pole and you're going to put the 2 black O-rings on it. One's going to be at the top, closest to the top grommet on the flag. The other one, I'm going to move it down to the bottom for the bottom grommet on the flag. So these black O-rings are going to be inside the grommet when you place this on the flag. So then you'll place it right along there where you can still see the grommets. At this point, you're going to take a zip tie and you're going to put it in, lift up the flag and put it in from the outside so that it goes just like that into and around the pole. Remember, the bottom zip tie must be below the bottom O-ring. You're going to pull that tight. You're going to pull it as tight as you can. And then there, you're done. I'm going to do the same thing at the top. And again, from the outside, I'm going to put the zip tie through the grommet. And this one, since it's at the top, it needs to be above the black O-ring. Same thing. I'm going to pull that as tight as I can. And I'm done attaching the flag. Now I'm going to take my clipper and I'm going to clip off the excess zip tie on both the bottom and the top zip ties. And you want to cut them as close as you can. We don't want any excess there because that could tear the flag. At this point, we can look at the top of the flag, grab the gold ball, we can look at the top of the flag, and you can see it needs to go down that far. So we want to move the flag down just a little, which it should be able to adjust fairly easily. You just got to adjust the top and then you got to adjust the bottom. And now I can put the gold ball at the top. These aren't always the easiest things to put on, but with patience and persistence, you want to get it as snug on that PVC pipe as you can. And now here, we want that to be lowered because we want the top of the flag to be even with the bottom of the gold ball. So I'm just going to adjust it down a little bit more. And that should be good right there. Now, you notice the black O-ring, we're going to move that up so that it's tight with the zip tie, so it's holding the zip tie up. The bottom one, we're going to adjust down till it gets to the bottom zip tie. And that's what's going to hold the flag apart. The last step is you want to roll up the flag. This part usually takes 2 people. I'm going to show you how to do it with 1. But normally you'd want somebody holding this part of the flag while I roll it because I don't want the flag touching the ground, so I got to be very careful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it up high, and you can see the flag, and then I'm just going to start rolling it. Now you want to make sure that up here it doesn't overlap, and at this point I can roll it all the way up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it tight. Just like you're pulling down shades in your house, you just pull it down, it tightens it up, and there you go. We are complete. And the last final step, just so it doesn't unravel, is to put the 2 rubber bands in place. One near the top and one near the bottom. There you go. We are complete with assembling the flag.